This is such a great question. What do you do when you know that what your class is doing is going to be loud? And how do you teach them what the noise level should be? If you don't know me, I'm Melissa, an award-winning teacher that's been in the classroom since the early 90s. I have tried it all, and I share what works. And if you would like PD that's just like what you see here, message me. So I have two strategies for you. The first one is what I teach my students, the 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. 5 is like how you sound on the playground. And I say it just like this to them, and they all put their hands over their ears. So we agree this is too loud for the classroom, right? And they all nod. 4 is how I'm talking now. I'm projecting my voice so you can all hear me. That's too loud. 3 is a regular talking voice, but if there are 30 or more of you in here, that's still going to be too loud, right? And then I have them all say their name at the same time in a regular voice, and they all realize how loud it is. 2 is a low voice that only the person next to you can hear, and then I have them say hello to the person next to them in a 2 so they can see what that sounds like. 1 is a whisper, and 0 is no talking. As my students are working or as they're playing, if it gets above a 2, because we say 2 is the voice they should all be at, I tell them to put their hands on the volume dial and we turn it down because they're getting to be a 3, 4, or 5. But there's one more thing that I heard about. I haven't tried it, but if you try it, let me know. It's called bouncy balls. You put it up on your smartboard. As the noise gets loud, the balls move up high. And if they get to a certain level, you could draw a line across your board. They know visually that they're too loud. However, if you have one of those classes, they might find that a challenge. So use with discretion. Teachers, how would you handle this?